and like if you hit it, it like just falls on the table.
that floating one. I've seen that before. I'm not a fan of it.
They're nice, but this one has a stand, so it's resting on the counter, so which is good.
It's not made for people who have children.
True. Speaking of Apple.
Damn, they really just came out with it, huh? And they said I like Mophie. They really just came out with it and said, you know what? There's no chips.
It's the same damn bullshit that they're making up.
It's like we have no chips.
They're basically saying the stock's going to come down even more, right?
Or maybe they're saying, you know what it is? It's like a you know how earnings season is coming up. We got banks reporting on Thursday, right? Tech might be reporting in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, well, earnings are starting soon. Yeah, banks are starting.
So if tech is reporting in the next couple of weeks, Apple's trying to get ahead of it and see if they could get their stock to a price point where it's at like support to test support, so it doesn't go any lower. Tim Cook is a smart individual.
It's just all timing, man.
All it is timing. Well, send us some bad news when the stocks are running.
Yeah.
And give us some good news when the stocks are way oversold. It's the cycle. It's a cycle. And I think that's something that people need to fully understand. That's why I bought more Shiba.
It's rigged.
I just bought more Shiba. I just said I bought more Shiba.
You know what? We were talking about that earlier. You know, we were having a group conference, and I just want to let you know your Shiba coin has a bunch of zeros.
After.
Right.
Or right before. Right, like
right
the
before
price
the
has
number.
A lot right before. But the amount of Shiba that I own has a lot of zeros after.
I have 5,000 Doge coins.
See,
that's all I need. That's all I need. It's not much,
dude. All we really need is what, Shiba to $10.
No, that's not possible.
How is that not possible? If they keep burning the coins.
All right, what are we talking about today?
Oh man, welcome to Daddies, your trade ideas show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
Going on, Teflon John here.
Excuse me, sir. Say your name correctly.
50 Con John.
Teflon 50 Con John. He added 5 more contracts of SoFi, so now his name is Teflon 50 Con John. Tell us, John, every time SoFi moves 10 cents, how much do you make?
I make $500.
$500. Imagine breathing. 10 cents. 10 cents. 10 cents.
It was wild today. I mean, SoFi was up again.
Hey, you know, we'll do a final review on that SoFi trade once we get out of it. But for now, for those who are still, who are interested in what we still think of SoFi, stay in it. It's above the 9. You'll be fine, right?
Yep,
we just recently broke the EMA 100.
Yep.
Therefore, we're still very bullish on the stock. We still haven't hit our price target of $21.17. Once that hits, then we're off to the races. But if you guys are interested about how we came up to the conclusion that it might hit $21.17, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. John, they just recently temporarily lifted the debt ceiling. Now our portfolios could start self-healing. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com.
How is it gonna self-heal if futures are still red?
Well, we don't know that. It's gonna self-heal. You know why? Because more money is about to get borrowed. So what's gonna happen? The printer keeps going, right? So more money gets to be borrowed. Mama Losi is now going to be over leveraged because she's going to take that extra money that she just recently got and buy more whatever the hell she's going to buy, and then we're going to follow her trade. So our portfolios will self-heal. But it's a correlation.
I was browsing through Twitter, and I saw someone tweeted about how Pelosi has a 90% hit rate.
Bro, imagine being
She's so damn accurate. She does not miss.
Yeah, she doesn't miss. Imagine being in the MLB and you have a 0.9, a 0.9 batting average.
Batting average, slugging average,
slugging.
OBPS, she don't miss.
OBPS.
Whoever's managing her account does not miss.
Nope. I bet you that person that it's actually not a person that's managing her account. It's that damn hamster that just is a stock picking hamster that just manages her own account. Can you imagine a hamster knowing what the mid price is for Carvana? Or right. The mid prices for Netflix? Oh God!
Please don't mention Netflix again. Jesus.
Oh God. Okay. No more Netflix. No more Netflix.
I hate Netflix, man.
God, it's such a hard stock to trade. But again, follow us. Make sure that you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Also, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up because John, if they give us a thumbs down,
your mom's a hoe.
A full one. Drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro.
Don't worry, guys. We're getting this. We're gonna get this thing called a stream deck. We're gonna finally. Everything's gonna be professional after this.
Yeah, very professionals. very professionals. All right, dude. Andrew is having the time of his life. He's out there on a, dare I say, a vacation.
He's on vacation. Yeah, he's on vacation.
He's on a vacation. And he is out there just making bank. just taking names in the stock market today. He made what, 3 bands today? Yeah, roughly around $3,000, right? He did give us
taking ass kicking names.
Yeah. Or kicking taking ass and kicking names. Yeah,
taking
exactly.
ass kicking names.
Taking ass and kicking names. $3,700 today.
Damn.
Crazy, dude. Crazy. Congratulations, my guy. Again, Asian boy Andrew is a Bust Down Investments alum. So he has taken the course. He's applying the skills that he learned. And today he made back what he invested in himself for the course. Actually, technically, no, because we gave him that course for free because he won that contest, remember?
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. But see, he applied himself and now he's making money hand over fist. So again, this kind of goes into that phase in your portfolio once you get these gains. It's just to manage your risk accordingly, and then you'll get there. You'll be more consistent. But he's been very consistent as of late, so that's really dope. Captain J,
his boat was missing. So Captain J sent us a picture. He was like, "Where's my boat?"
I just
like, kid you guys not? Like,
I just kid you not together right now.
I kid you not. He sent us a picture, bro. Where's my boat? And this dude's boat ended up on the other side of the river.
He didn't tie the boat. I didn't think it was an anchor. It was on,
I found
his neighbor's shore.
Yeah,
it was his neighbor's shore.
Like,
drive around the block.
You got, that's not third world problems, man. If your boat's missing and you found it in the neighbor's shore, that ain't no third world problem. Where my boat at? Imagine going to your patio and be like, where my boat at? What is it, the neighbor? I'm sorry, you don't watch the show.
You don't watch the shit anyways. He took some money for Tesla, Netflix, Facebook, and BA. He called these plays out.
Yeah.
He really did call these plays out in the morning. So if you guys aren't members of our premium, you
guys are missing out.
You guys are definitely missing out, right?
Yeah.
Dead Prez, he called out MGM yesterday. He swung MGM.
That was nice.
Solid move.
Casinos are making a good move again. I mean, Wynn, DraftKings. Las Vegas Sands, yeah.
Yep. So if you guys aren't premium members, you guys are not making these gains, right? So that's pretty much it for member gains.
Show them the 50 contracts. Go on general.
Oh,
chat.
Go up. It is here, huh?
Is it? No, it's on general chat.
It's on the general chat. Hold on, let me find. This is the reason why we call him 50 Con John. Where is that? There you go. There you go. 50 contracts. 50 Well, I mean, let's face facts here. You spent probably $8,000 on these contracts, right? You spent $8,000 and now you're up like almost 5.
Yeah.
That's a pretty solid return.
Yeah. This is probably like one of my biggest option plays. I don't 50 contracts, dude. Max I could do is probably like 10 contracts, but they were so damn cheap.
They're so damn cheap. They're so damn cheap, right? And then stay tuned for the next for the stocks that we were going to cover today, because there's also another opportunity that has fairly cheap contract options, contract prices. And then let's talk about the first stock that we want to cover, which is a review from yesterday, which is Draftkings. John, what do you see on Draftkings as it pertains to what we talked about yesterday?
So we also covered this on our daily recap, right? So 15 minutes before the market ends, I hop on a live voice for our premium members. You guys are blessed to have that. It's all inclusive. And for DraftKings, what we're looking at over here is it's been consolidating within this level right here. So if you look at, this is a daily chart, by the way. So it's been consolidating within this range for the past week and a half now. Today was not any better. I would say it's still in consolidation mode. It's still below the EMA 9. What I want to see here is, if tomorrow we have a good day, if the market's green, for some reason, then we want this above the EMA 9 for me to start, a swing position, because this is coming off of oversold levels. If you look at the RSI, and if you look at the MACD, it's ready to curl up. It just needs one green bar. That's it. If it does stay above, the EMA 9, which is about like around 49, 30-ish, 40-ish, then my next target would be at 51. A 2-point move could be hundreds to thousands of dollars. So, I mean, it's a good swing, but we're waiting for confirmation for this one. What do you think?
I think the same too. I noticed that how many times have we tested the EMA 9 after it touched the Bollinger Band, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, damn near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a full 7 days. Full 7 sessions that we keep testing the EMA 9. This consolidation, again, remember, if you guys are curious, consolidation is a short seller's worst enemy, right? Because all they really want is the stocks to drop in a dramatic fashion to make their money. As this consolidates, they're starting to sweat, right? And what happens when they start to sweat, they tend to cover. Short sellers aren't the most patient bunch. Let's just say that. All right. And they just want to get quick cash and be out. So this right here is a potential long, and we're just waiting for this MACD to curl up, and it's a good time to load up on DraftKings, right? This is like this barcoding scenario, or this sideways action that we're seeing, is what we like to call the accumulation station, right? You may get in and you may be early, but you're just going to keep averaging down until you realize. And the reason why you want to do that and pick an expiration date that's 2 to 3 months out, you can look at that 7 days of no action. You're probably sitting there, oh man, this is a dud. No, but if you really look at the chart on a daily basis, you're seeing that this hasn't even dropped yet. You're seeing a floor of 47.55. So if you put a price, a line right there, like a trend line for 44.55, I think that you are going to be rewarded as long as it stays above that 47.55 mark.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it for DraftKings. So we're going to keep you guys updated once we start taking these trades. The next stock that I want to talk about is Upstart. Good Lord, what happened to Upstart today?
Man, you know what?
I hate Upstart sometimes, dude.
Upstart, Affirm, SoFi, You know, I do feel like SoFi is lagging. First of all, SoFi is the smaller, younger brother, I would say. Well, the younger brother out of the three. So if we've already seen, you know, Upstart move, right? It hasn't slowed down. Like Jesus, if you zoom out a yearly chart, like it began, you know, its journey, you know, since what, August-ish, August 9th, yeah, first week of August, and now that was at 132.
Yeah,
man,
right. Imagine holding that.
yeah, exactly. Imagine holding that. And Upstart looks like it's gonna have another run again.
It looks like it. It definitely
Man,
looks like
this is gonna break highs again. And look
it's
at
strong.
Man,
Look at this. Look at this MACD curl. Look at this.
I know.
Curl. You have
Yeah.
a Bollinger Band that, you know, it kind of touched it, but it didn't really touch it. All time highs is at 347.
346. Yeah.
We're what level are we're trying to break here?
That could probably break tomorrow.
Level. Yeah, this could break tomorrow.
Yeah, if we have a strong tech day tomorrow, this can break tomorrow.
I want to see what. Oh, see, look at after hours.
Man,
look at after hours, right?
It's
there's
more
man. To this. Come on, man, Upstart.
Come on, man,
Upstart.
We're over here, you know, sitting at SoFi, and Upstart's just running like a 7% on a random day, on a red day too.
Right, on
the
a
market
red day.
was red. Yeah,
on a red day.
Come on, man,
Upstart. So I wouldn't short Upstart at all.
No,
do not short. Do not short Upstart.
I think this thing will probably run again.
Yeah, and the thing with Upstart, what's funny about Upstart sometimes is when you think that Upstart is gonna have a sideways scenario.
Yeah,
it says no. It says screw your sentiment. I'm gonna run now.
This looks like this looks like a Netflix setup. Looks like because Netflix ran some more. You know, I thought it was going to come down, but it ran some more because it consolidated for a week or so. Because I actually started shorting Upstart September 29th, and then the following day I cut it, and then, you know, the day after that it dumped, and I was like, I was so mad. But whatever, you know, like Upstart looks like it's gonna run again.
Looks like it's gonna rock again, bro. So I do believe that Upstart
might
have some more here. The next stock that I want to cover is Chargepoint, ticker symbol CHPT. Chargepoint has been beaten down quite some time, not oversold, but we're seeing. Hold on, let's see. All right, let's take a look at Chargepoint on the daily chart here. Chargepoint has been giving us some signs of life as of late, right? We saw an earnings pop. And then it's sold off, right? And we've been seeing this sell off for quite some time, and now it finally got the Bollinger Band piercing that we like, and now we're going topside. Okay. It did. I was looking at Chargepoint last night and trying to see if there's any type of entry point, and I saw that it held above the EMA 9 yesterday. So I said, you know what, this might be a potential swing. So I took a stab at it. I'm currently in Chargepoint for 2 contracts, trying to test the waters. What I do like about Chargepoint currently is the fact that this stayed above the EMA 9 today, and it ran above the EMA 20, right?
Yeah.
And currently we're trading at $20. So the next target right here that I have is $21.35. If this 9 breaks the 20, more bullish sentiment. We're changing this Bollinger Band trying to opens up. And again, fundamentally, if you take a look at the EV space, there's so many companies currently that are getting into the EV hype, right? One thing that these legacy car companies, your Fords, your
Tesla,
GMs, right? Tesla, we could take that off the list, but the reason why Chargepoint is so important is because other than EVgo, Chargepoint has the biggest infrastructure of all the chargers. They might not have the fastest, but they have the infrastructure in place in order for them to be readily available. Like if you go to a charging station, more often than not, there's going to be a different like a charge point there, right? So I think as the infrastructure is for charging stations, Chargepoint is taking that lead. But I do feel that EVgo will overtake them in the near future. But as of right now, this is still undervalued in my opinion. John, any thoughts?
For this one right here, your next target should be the EMA 50 at about what 2150-ish, right? 2130. So for this one right here, if you're trying to get in, me personally, I would wait for this on the daily chart. Wait for if there's a bounce on the 9, that's a strong support. But if 20 doesn't hold tomorrow, then there's support most likely at the 9. If it doesn't, then the chart's busted. But for this one right here, you know, there's 2 ways how you're going to trade this one. It's either going to bounce off of the 20 tomorrow or off the 9. But if this gaps up, you know, somewhere in the middle between the 50 and the 20, I'd probably sell there. Yeah, probably sell at, you know, 20 at the 50. So yeah.
That's pretty much it for Chargepoint, and that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you guys found that informative and useful. John, informative and useful.
Hey, you know what? I just want to make a quick shout out. So you know what made my day today?
What made your day?
You know, so we had someone reached out to me earlier on the Discord channel, and shout out to our member. I don't want to butcher your name, but it's. Her screen name was Chi La or something. Sorry if I butchered your name, but she mentioned that she came from the YouTube channel, right? I can't believe people watch this stuff.
Yeah, and I don't believe that people watch this at all.
But check this out. What really impressed me is that she's followed majority of our trades. She mentioned Chewy, DocuSign. Yeah. So remember, Chewy's been around. Like we started mentioning Chewy like last September.
Yeah, 2020. That was a 2020 trade.
Killer. So
yeah.
Shout out to Chi La. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Sorry if I didn't. But it just makes my day, and motivates me even more to provide all this content. I mean, we're gonna grow eventually. So.
However, if you're listening, I'm pretty sure you're probably gonna watch this. Why don't we take down her info so we could send her some merch? Yeah, we do have Trading Ladies hoodies, so we'll send you guys some. We'll send you some merch. So shoot us over send us over a DM on our Instagram, and we'll get you squared away and send you out maybe a hat or a hoodie or something like that. But thank you. That when John told me that story, that made me feel all giddy inside, because we do this on a daily basis without any type of motives. We just love doing this. This is what we do. This is what we love doing. We love to talk stocks, and we love having a platform and maybe touch a few lives here and there. But if we're making a difference in somebody's life, that makes it even more rewarding. We may not be the biggest channel. We may not be, we may not have the algorithmic favor that YouTube likes. But you know what? At least we're making a dent in somebody's life, and to me, that's more rewarding than anything. So thank you, Sheila.
I think it's because we've been saying everyone's mom's a hoe.
I mean, they give us a thumbs down, of course.
Google don't like profanity, so
Google don't like profanity.
I'm gonna tell you your mom's a hoe. Your mom's a hoe. I'm still gonna make money.
Exactly.
Who cares?
Yeah. So if you guys just make sure that you guys also hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. New to trading, don't know where to start, just want to join the group of active traders, please hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Also, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up, because John, if you give us a thumbs down,
your mom's a hoe.
Drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. Follow us on all social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And with that being said, let's get trading, guys. And remember that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.